Hello, and welcome to today's video, where we'll explore the topic of privacy in the future. With the rapid advancement of technology and the increasing amount of personal data being collected and shared online, privacy concerns are likely to become more prominent in the future. 1. What privacy means in the future. Privacy is a complex concept that means different things to different people. However, as technology continues to advance, new privacy risks may emerge. In the future, privacy could mean more control over personal data, robust privacy protections, and greater awareness of the dangers of sharing personal information online. Individuals may become more conscious of their digital footprint and take more control over their data. For example, privacy laws and regulations may need to be amended to address the unique privacy concerns of emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, biometric data, and the Internet of Things. 2. Is it possible to clearly define privacy in the future? While a clear and universally accepted definition of privacy may not emerge in the future, privacy protections and norms will likely evolve to reflect changes in technology and social attitudes. Individuals becoming more aware of their privacy rights and more proactive in protecting their personal information may demand more transparent and user-centric privacy policies and controls from technology companies. This could lead to a greater focus on individual autonomy and control over personal data, shaping how privacy is defined and understood in the future. 3. How to protect yourself from future technologies. Protecting your privacy from future technologies may seem challenging, but there are steps you can take to safeguard your personal information. You can educate yourself about privacy risks, use privacy-enhancing tools, be cautious about sharing personal information, review and adjust your privacy settings, and advocate for privacy protections. In conclusion, privacy in the future is likely to be shaped by emerging technologies and changing social attitudes. While it may be challenging to define privacy in a universal sense, there are steps we can take to protect ourselves from potential privacy risks. By staying informed, using privacy-enhancing tools, being mindful of the data we share, and advocating for stronger privacy protections, we can help safeguard our privacy in the face of future technologies. Thank you for watching today's video on privacy in the future. If you found this content informative and thought-provoking, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.